Join me as I dive into the world of Bbai stock and challenge myself to predict if it's about to explode or not. Bbai stock has been making waves lately, and for good reason. This company has positioned itself at the forefront of a rapidly evolving industry, one that's capturing the attention of investors and consumers alike. If you're into tech or just looking for a potential growth opportunity, you should definitely keep Bbai on your radar. Bbai is facing some tough challenges that could impact its growth. Market volatility is a big concern. The stock market can be unpredictable, and Bbai is not immune to these fluctuations. Another challenge is the competition. The industry is crowded, with many established players and new entrants vying for market share. Regulatory hurdles are also a factor, as changes in legislation can affect Bai's operations and profitability. Furthermore, there's the issue of scalability. Can Bbai continue to grow at a rapid pace while maintaining its quality and service? Recent trends suggest that Bbai might be on the cusp of something big. Expert analysts have been revising their forecasts upward, citing strong demand for the company's products and a solid strategy for expansion. Market data also supports this optimistic view, with Bbai stock showing resilience in the face of market volatility. Some experts even predict that Bbai could disrupt traditional industries, creating new opportunities for growth. What's more, Bai's commitment to innovation could give it a competitive edge. A recent announcement from Bbai has caught my attention. Their breakthrough in technology could significantly enhance their product offerings. This development could be a game changer, setting Bbai apart from its competitors and positioning it for substantial growth. The timing of this announcement is also crucial, coming at a moment when the market is looking for positive news. Investors are always on the lookout for that next big thing, and Bbai seems to be making a strong case for itself. The insight that Bbai is on the verge of launching a highly anticipated product has the potential to catapult the stock to new heights. This could very well be the catalyst that propels Bbai into a new era of growth and success. The Bbai team seems confident in their ability to execute and deliver results. In conclusion, Bbai stock presents an intriguing opportunity for investors. The company faces challenges, but recent trends and analysis suggest a potential for significant growth. The upcoming product launch could be a critical moment for Bbai, and investors are eagerly awaiting the outcome. What do you think about Bbai stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more stock market insights and analysis, be sure to check out my other videos.